Pico and D2, the parrot and the secret fruit thief. In a bright jungle lived a clever parrot named Pico, famous for his love of sweet fruits. Every morning, he happily flew to the fruit trees and picked the ripest mangoes and guavas. But one day, he reached the grove and froze. All the fruits had disappeared overnight. Not even a peel remained. Pico felt a chill of worry. "Who took them?" he whispered. Certain to solve the mystery, Pico began searching for clues. He noticed half-bitten fruit pieces, claw marks, and footprints leading deeper into the jungle, towards the dark, silent valley no bird ever entered. Still, Pico followed. Inside the valley, wind howled, and leaves rustled like whispers. Suddenly, thump, a fruit rolled past him. Pico's heart raced as he hid behind a stone. Then he saw it, a small, shy monkey struggling to carry a huge basket of stolen fruits. But the monkey wasn't greedy. He was gathering food for his injured mother, who couldn't climb trees anymore. Pico's fear melted. Instead of scolding, he offered help. Together, they picked fruits and shared them fairly. From that day, the jungle learned, sharing makes everyone safe and happy.